Hey brothers and sisters from the StarkNet family, this is Nurstar speaking from the Stark Galaxy and welcome to another episode of Deep Dive, the educational and tutorial series about the different projects building on the StarkNet ecosystem. So guys, let's begin with the first tutorial of the year 2023 by having a look at the 10KSwap automated market maker, which has been live on the StarkNet Alpha Mainnet for a couple of months already. After giving a quick look and follow at their Twitter account, we'll click on their website from there and we'll immediately land on the swap function. But before doing that, we need to connect our StarkNet wallet, which in our case is the Bravos wallet, a very intuitive and comfortable wallet to use that has also recently introduced the hardware signer, a high security feature for mobile use. Once our Bravos wallet is connected, we can make our first swap on the 10KSwap AMM by swapping the equivalent of 10 USD of it into USDC. Once the swap details have been selected, just click on swap, sign in the transaction and wait for it to get through. Our swap is now complete and we can move to explore the pool section where we can provide some liquidity to the pairs that are being featured on the protocol. Here we can make a practical example by depositing liquidity to the ETH USDC pair, choose the figures and then just click on deposit before signing the transaction on our Bravos wallet. We can now monitor our liquidity positions on the My Pools subsection located in the Pools overview. From here, we can monitor and manage our positions by checking details such as the pool tokens and our share of the pool. Obviously, we can also add or withdraw value from the liquidity positions that we created. Furthermore, 10KSwap has also got a very insightful analytics dashboard from which you can monitor several metrics and all the transactions that are being carried out on the protocol. Before ending our journey into the 10KSwap AMM, I remind you that you can consult their Cairo written smart contracts on their GitHub repo as they are open source. Well, my dear friends, this deep dive has come to an end. Thanks a lot for your time and remember that the contents of this video is only educational. It is not financial advice. If you liked it, please support us by leaving a like and subscribing to our Stark Galaxy YouTube channel where lots of StarkNet related contents are waiting for you. Thanks a lot for watching and see you on the next deep dive. Bye!